Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add address in Google Maps. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open your map and then locate or zoom that specific area or place that you wanted to save or add. So for example, I wanted to save this location or area right here. So I want to zoom and then pin. Once you have been at that place, then you have to scroll down below or look below, swipe to the right and look for save. Tap save. And then once you tap save, then here you can add a name or the name of a place or whatever event that you wanted to do at that very specific place. So you can tap this new list and then you can add a name to this list, a private list, and then give this list a description if you want. So you can set this to private or shared, and then after that, tap create. And basically, you have added an address here in Google Map. So when you open your Google Map and look for the place, then you have saved the name of the place already. Then it would be easier for you to locate that. If you want to see your saved address or your recent activity, all you have to do is go to your activity and you will see here the places or directions or the locations that you have pinned or added or saved. As easy as that. So you can just simply pin another place again and then add a label or save this to your Google Map. So basically, that's how easy it is to add address in Google Map. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.